Hey, Amazon seller. I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon business pricing. Giddy up. If you are following along from my screen, I'm assuming you're selling on Amazon and want to attract business customers. Setting up business pricing can help you offer competitive prices and bulk discounts. Let's get started. Start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Click on the burger icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Navigate to Inventory and select Manage All Inventory. Find the product you want to set business pricing for. You can use the search bar or scroll through your inventory list. Click on the business price field next to your product. Enter the business price you want to offer. This is the price that business customers will see. Click on Add Quantity Discounts next to the business price field. Enter the quantity tiers and corresponding prices. For example, you can offer a discount for customers who buy 10, 20, or 50 units at a time. After entering the business price and quantity discounts, click Save to apply your changes. Ensure that your business prices and quantity discounts are correctly set. You can always adjust them later based on customer response and sales performance. Setting business pricing and quantity discounts can make your products more attractive to business customers looking for bulk purchases and better deals. That's it. Using Amazon's business pricing is a great way to boost your sales and appeal to a wider audience. We hope this guide helps you get started. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching.